Abdul Rahman, is it? Abdul Rahman, is that you? Can you hear me? I can't hear you. You can hear me? I can't hear you. Okay, never mind. We just wait for a while. As I'm speaking, there's interference. Eh? Can you hear the interference? Okay, maybe I'll mute you. Let me try. I'll mute you. Okay, testing. Okay, so I can hear you. You can hear me? Okay, we just wait for a while for another few more persons. Okay, hello, Hassan. Just let me get the rest. Okay, okay, they're coming in one by one. Okay, I think we can start. Okay, today we're gonna start. Oh, okay, today we're gonna start on something quite tough, but let's try lah. Let's see where you guys are. All right, and again, I know this might be a little bit tough, but I want you all to try. Okay, it's an unfair test. It's an unfair test, so it's not a test lah. We are just going through one by one. Okay, so this is a revision exercise from the Sec 2 textbook, actually, Express. I know most of you are doing normal academic, but the Express and normal academic topics are generally the same. So what you are facing is a difficult NA exercise. I'm not including the topics that you are not covering. So yeah, for those of you in Express, so this is the standard. Okay, so can we try question? Okay, before you try, let me give you some warm up. Okay, you try. Yes. Can you try this? This question 1. Hold on. Okay, this is the first one. And you try now the second one. All right. Can you try that? Rahman, Abu Rahman, you send your answers on the chat. Okay, direct to me. Okay. Abdul Rahman, you understand? Yeah. Abdul Rahman, are you okay? Come on, I will. Rahana, you okay, Rahana? You know how to do this? No, okay, let me check. Abdul Rahman, you know how to do this? Yes, no. Ahsan, you know how to do this? No. You all have not learned this. Okay. Stop. I just show you on the board. Okay. Okay, inequalities. That means I'm jumping too fast. Never mind. We just try. We just do a little bit of experimentation, because if you find you can do this, it's the same thing as normal inequality, a normal equation. So let's say now I have x plus 5 equals to 10. You know what to do, right? You bring this over that side. So 10 minus 5, right? So x equals to 5. No problem, right? So now down here, imagine now you have this sign down here. Smaller than 10, smaller than 10, smaller than 10. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. 5, you bring over 10 minus 5. Then what's the final answer? X smaller than 5. So if you have a number line, the number line is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you draw the number line like that. Okay, I ask you one by one. Hassan, are you okay? Abdul Rahman, are you okay? Okay, yeah. Inshira, yeah, of course. Zahira, you okay, Zahira? Okay, Rahana and Hayan, you okay, eh? Okay, so we try this one, the first one. And of course, I'm going to trick you probably the second one. Inshira knows the trick. Inshira, don't tell Zahira, eh? The trick for the second one. Okay. All right. Okay, can you try 1 and 2? This one is smaller than or equal to, like smaller than. Okay, never mind, just smaller than is lah. Okay, we try. Let me get the rest not here. Okay, let's see. And no one has given me answer. Send in the answer, send in the answer. Abdul Rahman, you know what to do not? Hair, okay, not hair. Rayana, I cannot see your head lah. I cannot see your hair. It's not that if you pakai tudung, it's even worse. See, why are you showing me your head? Because I have a footballer's head. Okay lah. Let me see now. Some of them, okay, they are coming in. Who else? Hain, can you know Hain? You know what to do, Hain? Okay, send in your answers. Oh, Hain, you will send me by WhatsApp. Okay, okay. I forgot. But so far nothing, Hain. I don't see anything. First person to come in, let's see. But that is not the complete one. So in this case, you must find out what's X. Okay, I will show you how to do the first one. I think you all are a little bit blurred, this one. Down here now, down here. Okay, this one, imagine this is a equal sign. If I put equal sign, you all know what to do, no? See, I put equal sign out here. Equal sign. Imagine it's equal sign. What do? You bring the 15. Okay, someone there. Muhammad Hassan. Okay, let's see whether it's correct. 15, you bring over down here. This one is plus 15. You bring over to minus 15. Minus 5, minus 15. You owe $5, you owe $15. You owe $20 in total. Don't be confused. Plus you bring over becomes minus. You owe $15, you owe $5, owe $20, right? And then I put back the sign as like that, okay? There's not a sign was like that, right? So now it's 2x less than minus 20. X is, you just divide now. 20 divided by 2, get 10. So minus 10. Asan, you know your mistake, right? So the rest okay not? Inshira, where are you? You know what to do? Okay, the next one is a trick. Asan, your answer, so sorry, is not correct. Because there's a trick. But let me see. You go in minus, Asan. Asan, these two is, if you bring, you must divide by 2 to get, you cannot minus 2. They are together. Like 2 ice cream cost $10. 1 ice cream costs how much? Rahana again, Rahana. Let me see. Anyone send me by WhatsApp now? Hain, what about you, Hain? Okay, that means you're not ready for this. Okay, we will go one more round. But I just want to teach you this so that, oh, there's someone coming in. Who is this? No name. Oh, Sophia, the one we don't name. Okay. Okay, we try. Okay, Rahman, let's see. How you get 50 ni? How you got 50? So I got to test you in your earlier skills, okay, Rahman, later on. No problem. Okay, Rahman, you try to do this number 3, yeah? Okay, I'm going to give number 3. Let's see. Asan, okay, Asan, not bad. But I have not taught you the trick yet. Okay, then you'll try this simple stuff, okay? Rahman and Asan, those who have completed, can you try question number 3? Hey, what about the rest? Rahana, Shafika? Is that you, Shafika? Yes. We do question 1, 2, and 3, yeah? This is called inequalities. That's one number 3, well done. So Rahman, you want to get rid of the sign, okay? Down here, you want to get rid of the -3. So how, what to do? You must divide by -3. See, -3 divided by -3, the minus divided by minus get plus. So you must also divide this side by -3. Shortcut. Okay, maybe I'm talking too fast for you. Shortcut, you know that if you bring this over that side, become divide. Do you know that? No. No, don't know. Shake your head. If you don't know, you must shake your head. Do you know? You don't know. Okay. So now down here, I show you the longer method. Okay. How to get rid of number? I divide by -3. If I divide by -3 on the left side, I must divide by -3 on the right side. Got to be fair. Okay. So now this is what's going to happen. I divide by -3 here. -3 divided by -3 left x. I must also divide by -3 here. So 15 divided by 3 is 5. Positive divided by negative is negative. Are you okay? Okay, we try the next one. You try number 4. All of you try now, number 4. Okay, we practice as we go along. Okay. Let me see. The rest cannot do inequality. Raihana inequality. Oh, Raihana doesn't do inequality. You don't know how to do inequality. You're scared. Don't be scared now. Why are you scared? Okay, I will show you in a moment. Okay, inequality. Then you do the ones that you do not know. You know how to do. Okay, Hassan, well done. Abdul Rahman. Okay, well done. Good, you understand the method. Okay, you can use calculator. All right, I am now gonna, this one is very straightforward. Just divide by -4, you get -6 here. Now, I want to show you this one here. Please observe. First of all, when you have an inequality, you treat it the same like equal. Except this. If this one is -2x, what happens? Equals to 10. Watch carefully here. You must know the difference for inequality. Okay. Let's see. Inshira. Okay, that one is okay. Equals to 10. You divide by -2, you get -5. You put equal. X is equals to -5. Down here, when you divide or times by, you remember this, okay? When you divide or times by a negative number, this sign will go opposite. So now watch, I divide this by -2. I divide this number by -2. Once you divide by negative number by negative number, the sign goes opposite. Instead of this way, now it goes this way. -5. Are you okay? Only when you divide or times by a negative number. Remember the rule, for inequality. This is called inequality. Now, I do not know whether you know what is inequality. I am now going to draw an inequality. You tell me what is it in X? Okay, this is number 5. Let's say I draw this a number line. Okay, this is number 1, number 2, number 3. You learn in Sec 1 already. I draw the circle like that and an arrow like that. And I want you to tell me what is this. You must put a sign. Equal plus my equal. Is the sign equal? Is the sign bigger than, smaller than? And then what number here? Okay, so I'm going to show you the first one. Watch them. This is 3. So we are talking about 3 here. This now is going, X is more than 3. X can be 4, X can be 5. So this is more than 3. More than 3, how you write like that? More than 3. Do I not equal? No, unless I shade this, then it means it's also equal to. You get it? Get it or not? Okay, we try another one. We try number 6. I draw down here. Okay, number 6. You tell me what's the answer, okay? I'm now, number 6, I'm just going to put a dot on it. What is X? Please write the answer and send it to me. You know this dot? You must write an equation, Rahana. Your answer is correct. You must write equation. X greater than, okay, so Sophia says that. Okay. Let's see. Okay, all right. Thank you, Sophia. Rahana, well done. Rahana, first one to get it correct. Come on, come on. Hey, we are looking number down here, lah. Hello. Not this one, lah. Don't look at the red one, the brown one. Both of you, how come both girls looking at the red one? The brown one, the brown one. Yes, yes. What about the rest? What about the rest? Abdul Rahman, well done. Hassan, you know what to do, Hassan? Okay, let's see. Okay, Hassan, you have given the answer. No problem, no problem. Send me an answer, send me an answer. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, I show you now. I show you now. Those of you not sure, Zahira, maybe you're not sure. That's why very quiet, right, Zahira. Come, Zahira. Observe, observe. If they put a dot down here, it means X is this dot. So what is it? X is equal lah. Equal to what? X is equal to the dot. What is the dot? X equals to 1. This means X equals to 1. If they put an arrow here like that, they put an arrow, watch, boys and girls, watch. If they put an arrow down here like that, what does it mean? It means X is not only equal to 1, X is also more than 1. X can be 2, 3, 4. So now you write that greater than 1, but also put the equal sign. This means X is greater and also equal. Okay, right? We'll test you a number line first. You must write an inequality here. You must make sure this is simple sum now. You must master this, okay? Okay, here we go. Number 7, I'll draw the number line. You write the equation for me, okay? Here we go. This number line, this is -5. I put like that. This way. This one will be -6. -7. Write down equation. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Write down equation. Come on, come on, come on, come on. You can do this, you can do this. Hassan, you can do this, Hassan. Where's Hassan? He's here. Let me see. Well done, Hassan. But yes, well done, well done. Hassan, well done. Abdul Rahman, well done also. That means you are getting it. What about the rest? The new guys are getting it. Takkan the rest don't get it? We give them chance. Don't say that. How can you give them chance? Come. Okay, let me see. Mr. Hayen will be sending me by Sophia. Sophia, let me see. Sophia, there must be a minus there. There's no minus. If you don't put minus, you know what it means. I draw for you. Okay. Who else? Rayana, come on, Rayana, come on. Zahira, what about you? Zahira, come on, come on, come on. If you don't put a minus, you know what it means? Salah lah. This one -3 lah, ya Allah. So down here, you have 0, right? Down here, somewhere here. Down here, yes, 5. Now, if you say X smaller than, I use this sign then 5, that means this is what you're doing, Sophia, like that. You're giving me this one. No, must remember to put a minus down here. Okay. Now we try number 8 now. Number 8, we try. This is number 10. Number 11. Now I draw a circle. I color the circle. I put an arrow like that. Please write down what is the inequality. This is called inequality. Come on. Zahira and Inshira, search for the sign like that. There's a sign like that you can type. Hassan, be careful. There's an arrow down here, Hassan. There's an arrow. Come on, Hassan. Okay, Hassan now is correct, but remember there's also a black dot shaded. Shafi'i, come on, Shafi'i, this is not lesser than. This one is showing more, no more. You are showing less. Yeah, Hassan, never mind. There's no equal sign. How to write equal sign cannot? Okay. Those of you who blur still, don't be blur. Don't be blur. Come on. We Muslims used to be champions in algebra. We created algebra, you know that. So sorry, my X now looks a little bit handicapped. X, this is 10, right? 10 first. So you see that is equal to 10. There's a shaded here and also more. So you write more. How you write more? When the mouth, can you see like the fish is eating the, you cannot see the fish. Okay, imagine the fish is eating the X. It means this is X is more than it. Okay. So this is also equal. X is more than 10, X is equal to 10. That's what it means. If we put X is smaller than equal to 10, cannot lah. Okay, you can write like this. Okay, if you are typing to me, you can write like that. X is more and equal, like that. So I understand. To 10. This is X is more than 10. So more. Then X is also equal. Okay, another way to see, can you see this thing is bigger than this one dot? If you do not know which part is equal, this is X is bigger than 10. If like that, X is smaller than 10. Okay, we are going to do the next one, question number 9. Please try to get this correct, okay? -7, -8, -6. Okay, and go. Send in your answers, please. Rahman, there's a mistake in your sign. Rahana, where's your X? Tahniah pada Encik Syafi'i dan juga Insyira dan Zahira. Hin, what about you, Hin? Are you there, Hin? Come on, Hin. Send in. Okay, well done, Hassan. All right. Okay, very simple. So again, you see this, what do? You write X first lah. Okay. This is X. Okay. This one is -7. Put -7 here. So it's going backwards. Don't think this is 8. -7, -8, you think 8 is bigger. Hello, you utang $7 now, you utang $8. You utang more and more. If you utang $1 million, can you imagine? So you are getting lesser and lesser and lesser. This one down here, how do you know getting more? Because after a while you reach 0, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, then 1, 2, 3. So you know going this direction to the right means it's getting more. So this one is less. Okay, there is no shading, so no equal. Okay, we'll go back to this one. Let us see whether you are okay. Okay, we don't do question number. Don't do question number. Okay, simultaneous all you have not learned. Okay. I tell you what, in that case, we go back to our what we were doing the other day. Okay. Can you try question number K? Question K. To expand. You're supposed to expand this. I repeat, you're supposed to expand this. Those of you who forgot, remember, you're supposed to times 7 times 4, 7 times 5x, minus 5x times 4, minus 5x times 5x. And then you simplify it and tell us what's the answer. Okay, Mr. Shafi, let's see whether you're right or not. There must be an x square somewhere, Shafi. But I think your answer is correct. Okay, your answer is correct, but you forgot the x square. Raman, let me see. Okay, Raman. Let us see. Okay, Raman, we got to. Okay, we go to those of you who have finished, you do question L, please. Okay. Yes, Raman. Okay, Hayen. Hayen, mistake lah, Hayen. Hayen, you got to check. Your 28 and 20 can minus what? Okay, so we do together. I think some of you have forgotten. Raman, Abdul Rahman, I'm afraid of calling you Raman. No? Rahman is the name of God. Okay. Abdul Rahman means the servant of Rahman, the servant of the most kind. Okay, so here we go. Okay, what we do, watch carefully. 7 times 4. 7 times 4 is 28. So you write 28 here. Okay. Plus and plus is plus. Now times the next one. 7 times 5x. 7 times 5, number times number first. 7 times 5, 35. Don't forget the x here. There's an x. Plus and plus, the answer is still plus. Okay. 5 times 4, 20. Watch carefully, Abdul Rahman. 5 times 4, 20. There's an x down here also. Don't forget them. Minus and plus is minus. Last one. 5 times 5, 25. X times x. X squared. So 25x squared. Is it plus or minus? Minus times plus. Minus. So these two units are you can minus what? 35x minus 20x is 15x. So this is your answer. 28 plus 15x minus 25x squared. Then Asan was saying, hey, I thought the other day you tell me I must put the x squared first. Yeah, it's better to put this one first, then second and third, but it's okay. Shafi, how? Oh, the next one. Okay. So can you try the next one? If you need to use calculator, please use calculator. Don't waste time in your timetable, please. We don't have time for timetable. If you're in primary school, I'll test you on timetable card, but now we don't have time. Let us see, Mr. Shafi. Tahniah pada Encik Shafi. Must be able to do. This one we got to be able to do. All right, let's see. Your first and last term, they are correct, Mr. Hayen. Your center term. Hold on, is it here or Sophia? Hold on. Hold on. Sophia, you got 4 terms, must have 3 terms only. Must have 3 terms only. Here, let me see. Do you send the answer here? Oh, that's here. Sorry. Now we got Sophia. Sophia, your center term. Okay, sorry. Your center term is not correct. Can you try again? Here, come on, try here, come on. You need to master this, eh? You need to master this. Shafi, you do number 6A, Shafi, while waiting. You challenge Inshira, but Inshira give up already. Rahana, come on, Rahana. I don't see your head moving at all. Something is wrong. Come on, come on, come on. Think. Asan, your center term almost there, almost there. Your first term and last term correct. 108 and 14 x squared correct. But your center term, Zahira, well done. Zahira, well done. Zahira, well done. But your, let me see. Asan, maybe your last term, the x squared, is supposed to be plus or minus. Please check. Please check. Abdul Rahman, you know what to do, Abdul Rahman? Abdul Rahman, you know, Yes, well done. Well done, Hassan. Abdul Rahman? Yeah, Abdul Rahman. You know what to do? You don't know, just shake your head, no problem. Okay, we'll go through. Krishna Shafika, too many terms, Krishna Shafika. The X now you can come back. Okay, we do together, please. Abdul Rahman, watch. Shafika, so watch. Those who didn't get it right, you must know how to do this, okay? So here we go. Those who got it correct, if you did get it correct, you can attempt 6A. So now down here, 12 times 9. 12 times 9 is how much? Let me see. 9, 10, 99, 108. Plus times plus is plus. Now you must times the next one. 12 times 2, 24. Don't forget the X there. Now be careful, Sophia and the rest. This is plus. This is minus. You must get minus. Plus, you see where's the plus? When there's no sign, it means it's plus. Okay. Now the next one. 7 times 9, 63. X. Don't forget there's an X here. Minus times plus. You see there's no sign. No sign means plus. Minus times plus is minus. 7 times 2, 14. X times X, X squared. Now, X squared minus times minus equals to plus. Abdul Rahman, the sign is always in front of the number. The sign is always down here. Got no sign means it's plus. Got no sign means it's plus. Now, let us see. 108 is just 9, no partner. These two you can combine. 14x squared, no partner also. What I mean no partner? There is no x squared for you to add or minus. Down here, Abdul Rahman, you owe your uncle $24. You owe your auntie $63. How much do you owe together? Don't put plus, It's minus. You add together, you get 87. You owe $87. Are you okay, Abdul Rahman? Abdul Rahman? Yes, sir. Okay. Okay, Shafi, just hold on. The rest, I hope you know what to do because many are still getting it wrong. We have to go do the earlier questions. Here we go. Please try question number I and J. Shafi also. Shafi, let me just give you your answer to whether you got it right. It's supposed to be 30x squared minus 38x minus 5, which is what you got. Oh, okay, you just corrected. Okay. All right. Can you try I, please? I, and you finish, you try J. You must get it correct. Come on, this is simple expansion. Come on. Hey, I think you're confused, Ayan. Ayan, you know what to do, Ayan. You see, you don't show your head also. I also don't know whether I can see your top of your head. I got to speak to your mom lah. I'm not too sure whether you understand or not. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Hey guys, you are already half adults or going to be full adults. In the olden days, people your age get married, you know. Come on, come on. Let's take responsibility for your learning. Come on. Some of you may say, my mother forced me here, my father forced me here. Okay, make full use of the time then. Make full use of time. Let us see. Sophia. Sophia, you have 3 terms. Miss Sophia for I. Will she get it? Well done to Miss Sophia. Please proceed to question J. Sophia. All right, let us see now. Zahira and Inshira, congratulations. Please proceed to question J. Muhammad Hassan, your last term is correct. Your center term and first term got problem. Please check. Please check. The first term, how you 8? 8 times 6 is 48, what? Correct or not? Center term, something is wrong. Something went wrong somewhere. Okay, please try J. Please try J. Come on. Okay, Hayan, let us see Hayan. Congratulations. Hayan, once you focus, you can do. You know that about yourself. So just carry on now, 1.5 hours only. Come on, the rest, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Abdul Rahman, are you okay now, Abdul Rahman? I must check on you. You're a new student, huh? I must check on you. Don't feel embarrassed, huh, Abdul Rahman. Okay. Who else? Who else? Come on, come on, come on. Try J here. Husna Shafika, stop playing your brother. Come, 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 come. See you always in that car. Come on, Husna Shafika. Raman, let's see. Raman, you got, okay. Congratulations, Abdul Rahman. Well done. Okay, please do J then. Very serious boy, huh? Okay, come. Rahana, waiting for you, Rahana. Husna Shafika. Husna Shafika. Okay, Husna Shafika. You are doing now. We do step by step. 8 times 6, how come you get 28? Which question are you doing? Oh, you doing K? Kita dah habis K lah. Kita dah over K 2-3 sums ago. Sekarang ni kita buat I ni. Okay, the next one, let us see. The next one coming in is Hassan. Okay, Hassan, I think well done. Yeah, well done, Hassan. Congratulations. Okay, for I. Please proceed to J. Zahira and Inshira, the Wonder Twins. Let us see. Well done. Okay, Wonder Twins, you have done it again. You have saved the world again. But do not join the Eternals, is it? Sophia, something went wrong, Sophia. First of all, you need to have an X square. Okay, maybe your first and last is correct. I think your center one is a problem. Center one is a problem. Okay. Come on, come on, come on. Those who finish, do H. Inshira and not Shakira, Zahira, do H, please. Shakira is a different person. Huh? Let's see. Someone sent by phone. Huh? Who? Hian. Let me see. Hian. Hian, your first term. How you get 50x squared, Hian? This you see down here. Okay, come on. Check out, boys and girls. Come on. You see, we do this times this first, then this times this. Yeah, then x times y, then x times x squared. Sorry, x times 10x. This is 1x here, 1 times 10. 1 times 10 is 10x squared. Sophia, your center term, I think you made a mistake with the sign. Your first one is correct. Your second one is wrong. The middle one. Okay, Muhammad Hassan. Muhammad Hassan, where are you? Look at this, Muhammad Hassan. This is plus, you know. This one is minus. Plus times minus, Muhammad Hassan. You must get minus, not plus. You put minus, huh? You put minus. Sorry, Muhammad Hassan. Sorry, my mistake. So where did you go wrong? Do you go wrong? Okay, the center term. Okay, we are going to go through. We're going to go through. Okay, Muhammad Hassan and the rest. And Sophia also, you all are missing on the minus sign. Okay. So what am I talking about? Okay. Abdul Rahman, come. Abdul Rahman, we do together. 10 times 5, 50. Plus times plus, right? No sign means plus. Means plus. We don't need to write anything. Then you do the next one. Plus times 10 times 10, 100. 100x. Is it plus or minus? Look at the sign. This is plus. This is minus. Plus times minus is minus. Again, you must always look at the sign in front of the number. Next one now. Plus, x times 5. X times 5 is plus 5x. Means Sophia and Asan. Plus times plus is plus. And then the last one. X times 10x. X is 1x, 1 times 10, 10. X times x, x squared. Plus times minus, minus. So down here now, okay. Remember the concept of owing you owe your father $100. You have only $5. You go and pay Papa $5. Papa, I pay you $5. Then suddenly you utang $105. Cannot be you utang 100. You already pay $5, So you must utang only how much? $95. I hope you get it. Okay, please be careful. Use this concept of money. Okay, 50 minus 95x minus 10x squared. This is your final answer. Okay. Abdul Rahman, are you okay, Abdul Rahman? Not your head, yes? Yes, sir? Okay, good. All right. Now, we are going to move on to the next one. I want you all of you to do G now. Don't do H, do G. Those who did H, later I'll check your answer. Please do G, yeah? Sophia and Zahira. Okay, let me check Zahira and Sophia. But Sophia, you know your mistake about minus 95x. Please, Sophia, you got to know that mistake, eh? So we are doing G, green color, G. Zahira and Inshira for question number H, congratulations. Give each other a hug again. I don't hug my sister, Okay lah. You don't hug. Sophia, your G, your H is not correct. Okay, never mind. We don't have time to go through H. Rahana, nice hair, but please give me some answers. You can act the shampoo advertisement lah. Now Shafika say, I also want. Shafika, got your tudung, Shafika. Mengucap, Shafika. Okay, we are doing G, yeah, I repeat G. Let us see. Hayan has now come out the answer for G. Will he get it correct, Mr. Hayan? Let us see. Congratulations, Hayan. He's and Zahira and Inshira both have gotten question G correct. Well done, Hayan. Well done. The sisters, you can hug each other. But is the younger sister, really hug? Younger sister, you do, not or kakak do. Kakak do. Harap dengan pagar. You know what's harap dengan pagar? Asan, congratulations, well done. Okay, what about the rest? Come on, what about the rest? We will move on very soon. If you do not know how to do, please refer to the video. This will be on YouTube for the whole world to see. But trust me, no one wants to watch it, okay? Yeah, go to watch. You don't need to tell me. Go. Otherwise, start dripping everywhere. Then kakak got to mop. Come. Okay, we wait for the rest for a while, just for a while. Asan, you can do H. Okay, you try H. Okay, those of you who's doing G, you can check this to see whether it's correct or not. Okay, 9x times 1x. This is 1, 9 times 1 is 9x squared. Well done, Shafika, for the first one. Then 9 times 6, you try the 6, 54. Plus or minus? X, don't forget. Plus times plus is plus. Now the bottom now, 2 times x, 2x lah. Minus and plus is minus, remember that. Then 2 times 6, 12. Minus times plus is minus. So let's see. Okay, well done. Only Rahana, the last one, Rahana. 2 times 6 minus times plus is minus, Rahana, not plus. So everything is almost correct. 9x squared plus you have $54, you utang $2 is $52 minus 12. Okay, not plus 12, minus 12. Okay, I am going to stop here. Asan, if you have not completed, you can continue later, but you want to continue also, no problem. I'm now going to go to the next page. Okay, you can do the next page already dah. Okay, what is the meaning of expand? You all know, right? Is to times first, simplify to make it neat. Can you try question A, please? And question D. A and D. Asan, you can do this straight lah. The other one you can check later. Where is Abdul Rahman? It's okay if you feel a bit lost today, because the rest have already practiced. So they might be a little bit faster. Don't feel pressure. Oh, you didn't put your earphone, so you can't hear me. You're not like that so fast, Mr. Ian. You must times x is x squared. Ian, x times y is xy. 2, xy, how many? Don't forget, same method, same method. Okay, no problem. Rahana, let's see, Rahana come in. Okay, Rahana, xy and yx are the same. Okay, so you must combine them. Rahana, combine them. Shafi'i, congratulations, Shafi'i. Because you can do well, you will now henceforth be known as Abang. Oh, see, Shafiqa so happy. Okay, come on. Shafi'i, you try the next one. D. D for daddy. Abdul Rahman, okay, not Abdul Rahman? I don't know, you're looking at the paper, you know what to do, not? You don't know, you can message me. Asan, let's see. Asan, congratulations, Asan. Well done. Ni siapa ni? Okay, here, xy and yx can combine. Xy and yx combine. Congratulations, Sophia. Well done. Zahira Inshira, where you get 20? 2 times this y1 is 1y, 2 times 1, how come get 20? Timetable something wrong lah. Where you get 9? 9. Macam mana dia dapat 9 ni? Very mysterious though. Oh, you are doing the next one, is it? Sorry, Zahira Inshira. Oh, you're doing. Oh, you have done. Okay. Yeah, okay. Sorry, you are doing the next one. Okay, Rahman. Congratulations, Abdul Rahman. Well done. Move on to question D, please. Yeah. Sorry, Zahira Inshira, my mistake. Okay, you all have done it well. Well done. Hayan, well done. But Hayan, don't write yx, write xy. Follow alphabetical order, but well done. Your answer is correct. Okay, you move on to D. Now I'm going to check the answers for D. Rahana, you sent me already, right? Earlier. But you correct your mistake. Rahana, you must correct your mistake lah. Yx, 2yx, you put it as 2xy plus x1xy. So your answer will be x squared plus 3xy plus 2y squared. You just need to combine. So those of you who write like that, again, I repeat, you write like that. X squared plus Allah Akbar. Okay. Plus Allah. XY, just hold on. Then you put down here plus 2yx. Now 2yx and xy is the same thing. Okay, what do? You add together lah. These two you can add together. Okay, and now you get 3xy here. So this is the same. X squared plus 3xy plus 2y squared. Okay, now I'm lagging behind the rest. Let me see. Okay, let us check. The last answer. Asan, Shafiqa, xy, not yx. Xy, not yx. And then your last term, I think you forgot the square lah. You forgot the square. X times x, Miss Shafiqa. X times x is x squared 4 times 5, 20. Y times y is y square, 20y square. All right. So let us see now. Well done to Shafi'i. Well done to Inshi and Zahira. Okay, can you all? Okay, I'll run through first. I'll run through. Okay. But before I run through, I need to check. Sophia, something is wrong. Hain, both of you got a similar answer. Similar answer. Okay, please check. Please check. Here we go. Mr. Abdul Rahman, also you can check if you have not finished. Oh, sorry. Here we go. So we do step by step. Okay, this is very easy. You just need to be careful. X times x, x squared. Okay. Oh, wow. How come I cannot? X times x is x squared. Then x times y is xy. How many xy? This is 1. 1 times 5 is 5 xy. Okay. Plus times minus. Remember, the sign is always in front of the number. Plus times minus is minus. Okay. Now then, down here, minus times plus. Minus times plus is minus. Don't write yx. Is 4xy. This is where some of you made a mistake. 4 times 5, 20. Y times y, y squared. Minus times minus plus. So down here you owe, Mr. Who is that? Okay, Abdul Rahman, well done. You owe $5, you owe $4, so you must owe $9 lah. Don't you owe $5, owe $4 now? I owe you $1. Cannot be like that. No one is going to lend you money. Mr. Who? Who wrote is $1 just now? Ohian and Sophia. You borrow $5, then you borrow $4, then finally you say you only borrow $1. And I do not know when one of you say you have $1. Cannot, You borrow the money, $5, borrow $4, or together borrow $9. What? Okay, I hope you're okay. We try E and F this. E and F, you can do this. You can do this. Abdul Rahman, you're getting the hang of it, right? Getting the hang, Okay, good. Yeah, I know in your heart you say, wait, can you stop calling on me? I cannot, because you're a new student, I must call on you. The other student all know me, right? Even Asan is quite new, so I'll call him. Okay lah, you see, I'll call on you, so lah. No, I'm just joking. Asan, okay, Asan? Okay, we do E and F. Hey, this sort of expansion must be easy for you, okay? Must be easy for you. So Sophia and Hian, check, you know your answer, your mistake in the center term just now. Okay, but you're getting there, you're getting there. Wow, who is this? Yeah. Shafi'i, congratulations. Your Y has to have a square, but yeah, we take it as a slight error lah. Please try F. Use a calculator if you need to. Zahira and Nashira, congratulations, well done. Kakak, you must help adik score 80 lah this time. You help adik score 80 lah. Boleh adik? Can lah, you can. She's actually very fast. Okay, if you feel you're a little slow, it's okay. Remember, when we learn something new, we always are slow a little bit. But if we are slow for the rest of our life, something is wrong. Okay. So if you keep on practicing this, you'll be very, very fast. Shafi, yours is now the next one. Huh? Let us see now, Shafi. Here you must have three terms. 4x times 10x is 40x squared. What happened to it? Okay, well done to Mr. Abdul Rahman. Well done. Abdul Rahman, move on to question F. Let me see, Shafi. Congratulations, Shafi. Well done. Easy for you. Shafi, you move on to the next one, which is question G. Can you see question G? Can see, yeah? Okay. So here, be careful here. Raihana. Tahniah pada Puan Raihana. Congratulations. Well done, Raihana. I'm proud of you, Raihana. This time you make sure you score the highest lah. Can ah? Okay not, Raihana? You don't want to answer me now. She's just not ahead like that. I feel so sad. Okay, the rest. Come on, the rest. Zahira Inshira. Let's see whether you're right. Well done. Can you please move on to question number G? G for giraffe. Okay, let's see. Shafi'i. Hold on, Shafi'i. Shafi'i, here we go. G. Center term, mistake. Center term, there's a mistake, Shafi'i. Check your center term. The XY. All right, Shafiqa, let me see. Center term is supposed to be 108, Shafiqa, not 106. And your first term is correct. Your last term is correct. You're getting there, Shafiqa. Move on to the next one, Shafiqa. Move on to the next one. Abdul Rahman, let's see. Okay, Abdul Rahman, well done. I think you have gotten the hang of it. Well done, Abdul Rahman. You try G. Very good. Starting, you were a little bit unstable. Now you are spot on. Rahana, let's see. G, Rahana. Will you be the one to get it right? Oh, Inshira also. Slightly different in the answer. Your center term, Rahana. Your center term is supposed to be a different sign, the opposite sign. Well done to Inshira and Zahira. Congratulations. Shafi, your last term is supposed to be minus 25y square or plus. You got to check. Your center term also, is it minus 10xy or plus? Hassan, you okay? Hassan, I don't see your answer, Hassan. Where are you, Hassan? I'm here. Stop calling my name. Okay, sorry, Hassan. Come. Okay, sorry, I have to talk to myself. Ian, what about you, Ian? Come on, Ian. Yours got two terms. Cannot be two terms. The last one. Let's move on to the next one, Ian. Okay, you can do F. Okay, Shafi, now let me see again. This is now. Oh, this is earlier on. Okay, we will come back to this for a while. I will want to share something with you, okay, so that you'll know the meaning of stuff. No? Mathematics is not just about okay, come. Anyway, let us look at this lah. Okay, you all may not know this or may know this. Do you know who this guy Al-Khawarizmi? Okay, this guy, that's why I tell you the Muslims, we created algebra. Okay, we created algebra. Look, he popularized a treatise on algebra. That means algebra was already quite known then, but he made it even popular. Not only that, he did linear and quadratic equation. The quadratic equation is one of the square. The one you draw graph with square. He did all that. Completing the square method. You know what's completing the square? Simultaneous equation. This guy, don't blame him lah. Don't blame him, Shira. He's quite a great man. He has been described as a founder or the father of algebra. You know how advanced we are, not Muslim. But let us look at the Muslim world today. Sometimes we talk about the past, Muslim great, hebat, hebat. But let us look at Muslim countries today. I do not know whether you know or not. Let's talk about literacy rate. You know what's literacy rate? Means whether they can read or not. Let's see. Literacy rate by country 2021. Look at this. Down here. Wow, you can see all this color down here. If you have red down here, 100%, very good. See Australia 100%. Singapore, Malaysia, wow, very high lah. What about this color? Purple color. What countries are all these countries? Do you know? Let us see. You must know all these, no? Literacy. The most literate countries in the world. That means the most number of people in that country by percentage can read and write. Uzbekistan, 99.9. Wow. Singapore is not here. Okay, the 10 list. Afghanistan Muslim or not? Muslim country. How come only 43% know how to read and write? The rest, many of these countries here are Muslim countries. What is it? Chad, 22.31. I do not know what is Muslim country. 22 out of every 10 person, 2% know how to read and write. In this day and age, so they say there is a link between poverty and literacy. The poorer you are, the less able to read and write. Okay, I do not know whether. So down here now they have the map. But I want you to know that last time, yes, Muslims are great, but now no more. No, now you look at us. Who has the highest number of failures on mathematics in Singapore? You think the Chinese? Chinese, the majority, they got 90+% of their population pass. We 50%. 1 out of every 2 Singapore Muslim fail maths at PSLE. So you must pull up your socks. We created algebra. So you don't talk like that. Okay, but anyway. There's now your which one? I'm now lost. G. G. Okay, G. All right. Can we move on? We move on. We move on to K, can we move on to K. If you're doing halfway, I apologize. You can complete it and ask me for the answer. Shafika, what are you doing, Shafika? Are you okay, Shafika? Your brother left you. Abang, what happened, Abang? I don't love my sister anymore. Don't say that. Hey, hello. You see, I have to have conversation with myself. That means I might have mental problem. So if you pass mathematics, you are doing the Muslim community a favor. Right? You are increasing and I believe we can do it. Secondary school maths is dealing with what? Mostly algebra. Where people fail is algebra. Takkan we are the ones who created algebra. Now we fail at it. Malu lah. And Shafi, you should make sure, tell your ustazahs and all in the madrasah, let the madrasah be the best place for mathematics. Can you imagine? Or not? Even the Chinese people, they say, I know Muslim, but I want to go to the madrasah for mathematics. Wow. You think ever happened? This happened to Christian schools, no? We non-Christians send their children to Christian school, mission schools, because they are so good. Okay, let us see now. Let us see. Who is this? Oh, Shafi. Wow. Let us see. Okay, yeah. Center term, there's a mistake. Is Zahira and Inshira, yours is correct. Congratulations. Shafi, yours is must be a slightly smaller number than that. Okay, let us see. I can hear the teng. Means is, let me see. This should be from. Okay, here your first term is correct. Your center term is not correct. Your last term is correct. Your center 90xy is supposed to be 70 plus. What about Sophia? Sophia, okay, answer is correct. Yes, you can go to the restroom, please. Is it called restroom? Toilet? Do we call a toilet a restroom? I'm not too sure. So yeah, it's XY. Okay, well done, Sophia. Asan, congratulations. Shafika, your center term, the XY is not correct. Your first and last is correct. Raihana, your first and last is correct. Your center term. So we need to go through this. We need to go through this. So now, let us check. Let us check. What about Abdul Rahman? Yeah, Abdul Rahman, you can check also. 6 times 12. Okay, I'm going to do mentally. 6 times 12, 60, 72. Y square. Then 6 times x. 6xy. You see, I don't put a sign first. Notice my style. I don't put a sign. I think of the multiplication first. 6 times, okay, 6xy. Now I check. Plus and plus. I do this slowly. I do one thing at a time. Okay, later I'll tell you about men and women. Why that is that so? 7 times 12. 70, 84. 84y. Look, I'm not using a calculator. XY, sorry. 84xy. Okay, and then I check the sign now. Minus and plus. This minus lah. Minus and plus, minus. Right? Then next one. 7x times 1x. Take number times number. 7 times 1, 7. X times x, x square. And then minus times plus. Minus lah. Down here. You have $84. Oh, you utang $84. You have $6. In the end, you surely utang still. How much do you utang? You utang $78 still. Okay. Now, my suggestion is to do one thing at a time. Some of you say, no, I'm very smart. I can do many things at a time. Now, I repeat, men and women are different. Women can do many things at a time. You all know that or not? Okay, I show you. I think I show you some of the books. This is the answer, by the way. 72y squared minus 7xy minus 7x squared. Now, I remember telling some of you about this. So, I will show you again. If you want proof, you can get the proof. I give you the proof now. I give you the proof. Okay? You must understand this about yourself. Okay? Because sometimes you may have certain conditions you don't know. Just hold on. Let me just connect to the power source. Because otherwise it will go off. Just hold on. Okay. So you have to, you have to make sure that you understand yourself. So now I'm going to show you something. There's this book. You can check this book. Okay. What is the book's name? Raman. Oh, Raman went out. No wonder I was talking. He's not there. Okay. This is by Alan Pease. Okay, this is by Alan Pease, this book. Okay. Alan, can you see now? Alan Pease. Okay, he wrote a book, Why Men Don't Listen. That's this one. This book. This is the book. Okay, Why Men Don't Listen, Why Women Cannot Read Maps. In this book, he explained. Okay, what did he explain? He explained that men can only do one thing at a time. You don't believe this? If your father drives a car, or you talk to your father when he's driving not to a same old place, no, new place. You talk to him, you will miss the turn. This always happen. But women are not like that. Women, they can take care of the baby, feed the baby, iron the clothes, be on the phone, all at one time. It's different. If you observe the girls in your school, you notice that sometimes both girls or three girls are all talking at the same time. Men cannot do that, Men must, one man talk, the other one must listen. The other listen is like playing tennis. You serve the ball, then the person will get the ball and then serve back. But women is not like that. Women, they can do multitasking. That is why most of the secretaries in the school last time are all women. Or if you have a man, it's a girly man. Correct. So down here, what has this got to do with mathematics? Very simple. When you do the multiplication like this now, I do. What do I do? I showed you this now. I take number times number. 6 times 12. What do I get? I get 72, right? Then letter times letter, y square. And then sign times sign, plus times plus plus. I don't do everything three items one go. You get, from boys especially, you might get stuck. So I leave it to you. I already tell you your nature. This is not nature. This is human nature. You say no lah. This is bull lah. Okay, and never mind. Bull. Okay, we do question L. But trust me, it's true, no? I'm not telling you untruth. I give you reference to books. You can check it out. And I'll tell you one secret also later. If you want to hear, if you want to hear. Inshi, you remember I told this last year, right? Do you read the book? No. Must read the book so that you know. You know, when men have problem, what do they do? They would like to keep quiet, be alone. When women got problem, they want to talk. This is one difference. So yeah. Anyway. Sophia, okay, Sophia? Have you rested enough? So don't rest there lah, Sophia. Banyak jin kat sana. Okay, let's see what Shafi, very fast, Shafi. Speedy Gonzalez. Let's see. First term is correct. Second term is correct. Third term is correct. Congratulations to Mr. Shafi. Faster than Shafi. Can you do the B also below, Shafi? Oh no, not B, not B. Sorry, Shafi, not B, not B. Do A. Hold on now. This A. And Raihana. Raihana, first term correct. Second term is too small. Third term, wrong sign. Please try again. But the fact that you are close means you are getting it. But you got to be correct to get the score. Zahira Inshira. Congratulations. Please go to A. The next question A. Question 8A. 8A. What happened to Zahira? Kakak, where is she? Tidur. Hey, you must do lah, Zahira. Don't follow the thing lah, lama. They're lying down on kakak, manja-manja. Say, kakak, please help me lah. You are my bigger sister. Can you please do for me? Don't like that lah. Asan, let's say. Asan, your center term is supposed to be 64. Can you just check? Can you get that number? Asan, 8 times 8 is 64, right? Yeah, but the second term you check again. Okay, let us see now. I can hear the ting, so let us see. We have Sophia. Sophia, your center term too small, Sophia. Just like Raihana, you put 16 XY. I think you minus wrongly, or maybe you put the wrong side. Okay, Hayan, sorry, Hayan. Hayen, your answer, first term is correct, second term is correct. The last term is supposed to be 50. Oh, yeah, correct. Yeah, Hayen, correct. I saw wrongly. Okay, well done, Hayen. Congratulations. Sophia, your center term, Sophia, is supposed to be 64, not 16. I know 16 is a nice age to be at. Maybe it's a 16. I do not know whether they're quite a number of songs. Okay, Shafika, well done. Congratulations to Miss Shafika. Shafika, let me see, is plus 15x. Well done. Sophia, your last one, not minus 15x. Okay, Abdul Rahman. Abdul Rahman, your first term is correct, your last term is correct. 16y, xy is not correct. It's supposed to be 64. Minus 64. Let me see, it's minus 64. Minus 64 xy. Okay, so you check where your mistake is, but can we move on to question 8a and 8b? 8a and 8b, yeah? Okay, Shafi'i, you are doing question 8a, yeah? First one to come out 8a. First term correct, Shafi'i. Second term correct, Shafi'i. Third term correct, Shafi'i. Well done. Can you move on to question B? You have just overtaken. Oh, Zahira. No, Shafi'i, your first term is not x to the power 4, it's x to the power 2. Please check again. Zahira and Inshira, your second term is not correct, not 19. Okay? Oh, you didn't put it in order. Okay, your answer is correct. Your answer is correct. Well done. Move on to the next one. Shafi'i, you know your mistake, now. You know why is it not x y square y to the power 4? You know, right? It's supposed to be y to the power 2. Huh? Abdul Rahman can do? Can, huh? Okay, who is this? Here, no, Sophia. Oh, keluarga Ibu Diana. Salah orang, huh? Okay, if you're having difficulty, I will show you in a moment. We give you just 2 minutes more to complete. Cannot? No, a little bit slow already. Okay, Hayan. Hayan, this is for which question, Hayan? Is it for 8A? 8A, yeah? Okay. Your 17x squared is correct. The xy is not correct. And the y square also not correct. Okay, I'm going to go through question 8A. And you all must know how to write it. So how do you write it? You write the x square first, then xy, then y square. Okay. Okay, those of you who's not sure, I'm gonna check. First, you do this side. 9 times x, 9x square. Right, Hannah? Your x square is not correct. 9x square. Then 9 times 4, right? 36. Notice I don't put a sign yet. I don't put the letters yet. I take the number times number first. Then x times y, xy. Why? As I told you, I'm a man. I do one thing at a time. Plus and minus, minus. You must know yourself. So 4 times 1 is 4. You see, I don't see the 1. X means 1x. Y times x is xy. Okay, you follow my method. Now, what I do one by one. It's okay, never mind. Very safe. And then plus and plus is plus. The last one now. 4 times 4, 16. Okay. Y times y, y square. Plus times minus, minus. So now you ask yourself, which terms can be combined? These two terms can be combined. So ask yourself, think, you owe $36. You have $4. After paying the $4, do you still owe money? Yes, you still owe money. So how much you owe? You owe 32. Okay, this is now on one side edge. It's not yet the total thing. So this is minus 16 y square. Okay, and then down here is 9x square. But it's not yet finished now because you have to combine with the next side. It is a square. So now I need 2 times. I write it on top here. I write it in green. Okay, so that we are not confused. 8 times what number down here? I take number times number 1. 8 times 1 is 8. X times x, x square. And then plus times plus, I leave it alone. Now 8 times y. 8 times 1 is 8. Same thing. X times y, xy. Okay. Now next one. Sorry. Plus times plus is plus. Again, I notice I do number, then letter, then sign. 3 times 1 is 3. Y times x is xy. Okay, we put the x first. Then minus and plus is minus. Next one. 3 times 1 is 3 again. Y times y is y square. Minus times plus is minus. I know this can put you to sleep. You can listen to this video. If you cannot sleep, you listen to this maths video. You might be able to sleep. So these two you can combine. 8xy plus minus 3xy get 5xy. Right? Now you got to combine both. 8x square. Okay, I'm just gonna show you a plus. See, why is it plus? Because you have $8, you owe $3. Right? So you must still have plus. You don't owe. So now let us check now. This one now, we combine, okay? You have 16, you owe $16. You owe $3. That means you owe $19 lah. Correct or not? Sorry, you can see now. You know what I'm talking about here? Now you got to combine these two, right? This one is from here. This one is from here. You owe $16, you owe $3. Altogether, you owe $19. Okay, then this one now. You have $5. You owe $32. After you pay the $5, you still owe money. Not enough to pay back. So make sure your next one is also minus. Take 32 minus 5, you get 27. Minus 27 xy. Am I correct? Yes. And the last one. You have $9. You have $8. Altogether, you have $17. Can you see how I do not? I'm very careful with the what? Number times number, letter times letter, sign times sign. I'll do 3 steps. Safer. Okay. All right. So have you all tried the next one? Okay. We will hold on. Don't do the next one. Who has done the next one? Okay, next one, I just tell you answer, okay? You check. I will show you part of the question. But I'll tell you the answer first. Okay, I'll write the answer first. Okay, this is supposed to be the answer. Maybe some of you do not know how to do certain parts. I'll show you, okay? Is 18x squared. Anyone? Okay. Zahira got 18x squared. Okay. The final answer, this is final answer for question B, 18x squared. Okay, and then minus 71xy. Correct also, Zahira. Minus 71xy. And the last term is plus 21y squared. Okay, well done. You got it. So now I'm going to go through for the rest, not the whole question. I'm going to go through this one. How to do this one? Now, what do you times? Do you times this 3 first? Okay, I suggest you put a big bracket like that. Like this. Leave the 3 outside first. Minus 3, yeah? And then you find out what's the answer on inside on here. Look at how I do. Okay, I put the bracket here, big bracket. I times first. 5 times 7, 35. Yo. My ink suddenly change color. Okay, 35. Then letter times letter, xy. I know this can be very boring, but notice the method. I think you will not make mistakes, inshallah. Inshallah. xy. And then plus and plus, leave it alone. Then next one, 5 times 2, 10. X times x squared. Plus times minus, minus. Go to the next one. Y times y squared. 7 times 1, 7. Minus times plus, minus. Do the next one now. 1 times 2, 2. Minus times minus plus. Y times xy. Now you combine which one? This one you combine. 35 plus 2, 37xy. But put it in the right position. What right position? Okay, we copy first this minus 3. Yeah. What's the right position? This is a center term, you know. So you put it in center term. You can do this last, no problem. But I'm showing you normally this is how it's done, center term. What is the first term? First term is the x squared. So I put minus 10x squared. I prefer to have it like that. Okay, I train my mind to be like that. Then y squared. Did I miss this one? Y times y squared, right? Minus 7y squared. Then from here now, then you times 3 times 10, 30 x squared. Minus becomes plus. So down here becomes 30x squared. Okay. Then 3 times 37. 90, 90, 21, 21, 21, 21, 30, 11, 111. Am I correct? Should be correct. Minus and plus, minus xy. 3 times 7, 21. Minus and minus becomes plus y squared. So I've just shown you how to do this part on here. I hope you're very clear. I know you're very bored lah, Rahna. It's okay lah. It's all right. Okay. So this is the answer. Okay, we do something else. Inequalities. This is what we're going to do next week. But yeah. Can we try? Okay, I want you now. There's 10 and 11. Okay. It's all and 12. Okay. You do the 10 first lah. You do the 10 first. 10x equals to 20. Oh, sorry. Sorry, yeah. Allahu Akbar, what happened? 20, but hold on. I put a minus here. Okay. Down here, I put this one is plus. 10x equals to 20. Can you do these two first? And then you do until 13 down here. Okay. Now we're going to put a sign on here. I want you to know the relationship down here. Okay. Okay. You okay, good. Rahman, first one is correct. Well done. What about the second one? Okay, I want you to take note, okay? This is something, because this will be your first topic, I think. Hassan, well done for the first one. Rahman, second one, correct. Okay, I'll just write the first answer. Very simple, Rahman, and the answer is -2 here. This one, the answer is 2, right? What about the next one? Congratulations, Mr. Abdul Rahman. Well done, you get it, huh? And what about the last one? I want to see your answer for 12 and 13 actually. For 10 and 11, it's almost the same. But 12 and 13, that is where it is. That's good. Okay, Rahman, well done. So down here now, you do like the same thing. 20 divided by 10, what do you get? You get 2 here, -2. But because you divide by a negative number, 20 divided by negative 10, this got to flip. I repeat, the sign got to flip. Why? You divide by a negative number. This one, 20 divided by 10 is 2. Don't flip. Don't flip. Why? You did not divide by a negative number. Okay, I will leave you with that. Again, you don't flip the sign because you did not divide by a negative number. You flip the sign because you divided by a negative number. Okay? So take care of yourself. You know, the two sisters look so happy. Okay then. You take care of yourself. Assalamualaikum. We see you next week on Friday. Right? Assalamualaikum. Take care. Bye-bye. Are you okay? Bye-bye.